what's going on, guys? It's your boy Happy. Before we get started, make sure you tackle that like button right under this video. If we reach our goal of 5 likes, I will keep 5 videos a week if that is what you seek. Now, right quick, last time where we left off, we were fighting this guy right here. The little mushroom guy. Yeah, he was a pain in the... Well, his... I should say his level was a real pain for us. We even had a fill-a-thon. Hopefully, now that we're gonna fight in cyberspace, we should get through this right quick. I'm gonna try to hit you guys with the best thing. You know, I'm gonna try to make it at least 2 bosses today, because seriously. And make sure it doesn't take no more than 20 minutes, because last time it was horrible. Also, guys, if you stick around, I have a nice little compilation of things that you didn't know about Megaman. It's 11 things. That's right. 11 things I know for a fact you didn't know about Megaman. Alright, let's get started on this, guys. Today's question of the day is, what do you like to do for fun? Me personally, I love playing and making videos for you guys. I just wanted to know what you like to do for fun. That is today's question of the day. I think I'm getting a little bit more used to this thing too. Oh. It just told me to hurry up for some reason. Oh yeah, this is how you get one of the armor pieces. I remember now. Not A. That's not bad. You're supposed to get S on all of them. But A, that's not bad. And you're supposed to not get hit by these things also. Which obviously we're not doing such a good job at today. Anyways, guys, our first nice little tidbit of information comes from Megaman 2. I don't know if you guys ever played that Megaman. In Megaman 2, there's a boss in there called Megaman. The nice, interesting thing about this is that is the first boss that in any Mega Man that is actually weak to his own weapon. Alright, this place doesn't seem like extremely hard to get through. If you guys have a problem with me like dashing through all of this, let me know, you know. Leave it right in the comment section below if you guys have a problem with me dashing through all of this. Oh. Sorry guys, my controller was acting up. So hurry up when you want, I don't really care about the grade. It's the controller that was acting up. Oh. These things are no fun. Definitely not gonna get a score here. Alright, once we get through this, I'm gonna tell you guys, here we go. The second... Okay. The second nice little tidbit of information is that in Mega Man X5, the boss's name, you know, you got guys like, I'm trying to remember, Duffy McWhalen and stuff like that. Yeah, every single boss is... Oh, sorry about that again. Controller's acting up today for some reason. I just noticed that I have not... I had not sent a single shot during this whole thing. I guess I gotta come down here. So yeah, oh! Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna have to start playing seriously. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. The bosses in Mega Man X5, they're all named after a Guns N' Roses song. I don't think I'm supposed to go that way. I'm supposed to go this one. No? I'm supposed to go that way.
Time to get serious. Guys, it's time to get serious, Mega Man said.
I don't know why they give Mega Man such a girly voice in this game. But yeah, every single boss is named after Guns N' Roses. song. Well, there's something back here. Now you know what? I'm not gonna explore. Don't feel like it. Oh, how to do that? Oh, almost had it. I will not have Peloton 2.0. I need me alone. There you go. That went through. Oh, look at that. That would have been the capsule that we got, guys, if we, made it in time or whatever. So yeah, this was done by a translator. It was actually part of the Capcom of America's design plan. In the Japanese version, bosses have more traditionally formatted names. So yeah, it was done by a translator that he made every single boss in Mega Man X5 after Guns N' Roses. Just references to them. This guy should be weak against sorry. I was ordered to test your abilities. It's quite simple. What? Prepare yourself. So yeah, this level is much easier than the last one. Time to get serious. We're gonna die, won't we? Yep. I'm gonna just kill him regularly. Yeah, because if not, we're gonna be here a minute. Here's an interesting one, guys. Do you know why Mega Man is blue? I'll tell you that right after I kill this boss. Oh wow, this guy's a pain. Not that hard. What's so hard about this guy? Oh, got me there. Oh, got me there too. Wow. Alright, I got the trick to it. So yeah, guys, get ready. I'll tell you right after we beat this boss exactly why Mega Man is blue and not any other color. There. Got him there. Got him there. Got him there. Got him there. Got us there. Oh, that's too fast. I think the trick is to keep on moving. Yeah, if we keep on moving, we're not gonna get hit. Yeah, see? That's easy. Good job. Keep moving, keep moving. There we go. Oh, got us there. And just like that, he's dead. Guys, the reason why Mega Man is blue is because in the NES, the Nintendo console, you had a lot more blues than you had, like, let's say red or green or all those colors. So so that they could make Mega Man look different. You know how his arms look like a darker blue from like his chest and his ears? They made him blue. because of that fact. Because there's more variety of blues in NES colors. We got Amy Laser, guys. See how we're doing on time right now. I think we're doing okay. Yeah. All right. We're doing all right. We're gonna try to tackle the next guy over here. You guys are probably not gonna see this. Okay, guys, just like that, we killed that boss. Now we're gonna head on to this owl guy over here. Storm Owl, I think is his name. Yep, Storm Owl. He should be weak to the weapon that we just got right now. And this is the Air Force area. If we could find a life right now, it would be great. You know, there's such a thing as dodging. Ooh. Oh, baby. Oh, this is the shooting one. What the heck? Yeah, now I remember how to use it. Now let's go over it. Oh, look at that, you can charge it. I didn't know that. Oh. Let me get off here for a second. Alrighty. Let's get some life just like that. Let's go back there. You can charge it, but you can't like walk with it when you charge. Yeah, you can't walk with it. So it's pointless really to charge it. Get out of here. Oh, my lantern. I can stay in the air forever. Looks like the armor's gonna run out soon. Yep, I think it's gonna blow up. Why does it give you some type of warning, you know, but then just like blow it up out of nowhere. Alright guys, here's the interesting fact number 3. The Megaman X, originally, it wasn't gonna be X, the main hero. The main hero was gonna be Zero, actually, in the original Megaman X. But people started fearing that, you know, Zero was such a different character that the studio really thought that people were not gonna like that, you know, and they were gonna be afraid of change, etc., etc. So what they ended up doing instead was making sure that Megaman X was the lead as opposed to Zero. Yeah. Wow, look at that stuff back over there. Oh, Miami! I'm so excited for this guy right here, guys. You have no idea. This is like one of my favorite bosses of all time. Oh, take it to the face. Death upon you. Death upon all of you. Oh. Oh man. Megaman's ultimate weakness. Spikes. There's a thing up there, guys. Let me see if I can do it. It's like really hard to get. Oh. See, I don't know why I do these things. I could just easily beat this game, but no, I like to challenge myself like not such a smart person. Yep. I'm pretty sure there's like a life tank or something over there. There's a mini boss. Here's interesting fact number 5, guys. Or number 4. I think number 4. Getting ahead of myself there. Megaman X is the first of the Megaman series that made, well, there's, you know, mini bosses and other Megamans, but none like as epic as these. And these have a little life bar to them. It's a lot easier to target them. Just like that. That's how you kill them. Alright, guys, we did that. There we go. Anytime I'm enthusiastic like that, my best friend always cracks on me. This is an awesome fight.
How dare you destroy my unit? You'll pay for this with your life!
We'll see. I got you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, well, yeah. See? It's not easy to kill this guy. I just know what his weakness is. That's the only reason why I'm taking him out so easily. Just like that, guys. Give it up. Make sure to hit that like button. I was gonna say that like comment. Make sure, guys, really make sure we reach at least 5 today. Like always, guys, remember, no matter how hard it gets, you gotta stay happy. Ra-ta-ta. Have a nice day.